Eat her. Does that say that says leave this house? Well, that's what we're trying to do. I go into the bed. Let's see, do we get her to come in here? Oh, there she is. There's Granny. No, she's gonna leave. So nice of you to stop by, Granny. Alright, yep, you go in the kitchen. And I'll go this way. I think you can move this. I might be wrong. Where you at, Granny? Alright. What is this? That did something. Oh, that opened that. Uh-oh. Ow. Well, I got slapped by a bat. I don't think I'd done anything important though, so. Nope, she's mad. That doesn't make sense. Shit don't make sense, man. You locked me in this house. Put me on this bed. Don't you do it, Granny. I'm not here. Don't you check under this bed. Granny. Why is she dropping bear traps already? I'm gonna give it a sec. So I pop up, and he's stuck in the bear trap. I'm gonna die. Alright, I'm all good. Don't knock that over. Alright, I'm going downstairs. First some good stuff at Granny. Car key, okay. That's good. Nothing in here but the teddy, okay. Don't go in with the teddy. See, sometimes things spawn in different places. Actually, I think every time you play through it, everything spawns in a different place. She'll be coming down here for that sound in a second. Yep. Look at this ugly baby. Oh, Ollie. Yeah, go back upstairs. I'll wait a little bit longer. Oh, she dropped another bear trap. Alright, is there anything else down here I can use? Need engine part, car battery. Spark plug. Alright, so there's a few things I need. Nothing in there. What? Oh. That's not good. I'm glad she has a stupid AI. Otherwise she gonna get me. But she too stupid to check the closet. Alright, maybe I won't bump that this time. Why did I even bump? Ooh, hammer. I don't think that made sound. But we're gonna sit in here just in case. Don't think she heard it. I'll go. Okay, there's the bird seed. I know where that's at now. Need to find the melon. The playhouse key. think she's coming. Alright. She's not down here. Don't bump that. Need a hammer for something. Is it like that was down here? Engine part, okay. Oh, she got here quick. Hear that laugh? The devilish little laugh. Go. Oh my goodness, I didn't think she'd go that way. Oh my gosh. That scared me. It was scary, man. Alright, the door didn't get her. Okay, we're good. That plank did, though. She definitely heard that. Man, how big is this house? This is a huge house. Yep. I wish I heard the plank. I'm so glad she can just get down and reach it. Oh, she knows I'm here. That's nice. Go away, Granny. Old hag. Oh, she's dropped bear traps. What's that? Cogwheel. I don't know how much I need that. Oops. No, I don't, Granny. I want you to go away. I'd really like to find the weapons key. That would be nice. Let me just shoot her. Get her out of here. Don't think she was still here. She put her painting back up, too. Oh, goodness. The board creaking. That's crazy, dude. She's got me trapped in the basement. I can't leave. Let's make a break for it. I'm just gonna go for it. It was right there. Okay. Look at that on the stairs. Behind the stairs for some reason. I'm just gonna run. Yeah, she couldn't have gone this way. I don't know why she went downstairs. Or she went down this way earlier. Alright, we got the engine part on there. I don't think she's coming. I need to get one of those planks and then go upstairs. Yeah, she's not coming. I do need those wire cutters, though. No, I don't. Never mind. Maybe not. I hope not. Oh, the bear trap's gone. That's nice. I hope she's gone. Nope, she's gonna keep laying more and more, isn't she? That's a piece of a painting right there. Don't need that. Just gonna run. Oh, she sees me. Look in the bed. She heard me move her boxes. Go away, Granny.
Want to play hide and seek?
No, we do not want to play hide and seek, Granny. Man, why does this woman have bear traps? Anyways. Like, do you have anything better with your life to do than trap kids in your house and place bear traps and try to kill them? Oh, she heard that. I need something. Oh, I do need the wire cutters. I trapped? I might be trapped. Ow. You know what? It's fine, because she can't get me. Yeah, you can't get me. Ugly and stupid. Leave that door open. I need that door. Oh, crap. No. Woman? Is she getting a key? I'm screwed. Okay, go away. Please. Alright, she's leaving. She has cameras. I could take the hammer and smash the camera, though. I think... Yep. I'm not gonna do the other one. Is that gonna draw her attention? Yep. I'm not here. Why should she laugh like that? It's like a... I'm gonna have to wait a bit. 'Cause after I drop that, she's gonna be able to hear it. Wait, I could get her to come to that door. She won't cross that. I don't think. I don't think she'll cross it. I don't think she'll cross the gap. Oh, I forgot about that hole. Yeah, she won't cross the gap. Oops. Well, that happened. Really? What is this? We don't care. I'm sorry for this interruption. I did not know Granny had ads. Alright. Day 3. Need 3 more days to escape. Yeah, say 3. Count it on your hands. You get till day 5. You got day 3, day 4, and day 5. That makes 3 days. I'm gonna check this room. Got the car key from there, that's right. Still doesn't hurt anything, right? I'm just gonna sit here for a second. I don't know if she heard me or not. I don't think she did. But she could have. Does anybody know if you can play Granny on controller? If you can't, if you do know, tell me in the comments. think she heard me. I'm gonna leave. I need a screwdriver. I'm gonna set this down on this table. Ooh, the remote. I'll leave that there. Let's read this note. This is my 5th day in this house. She chases me wherever I go. I'm quite injured and my body hurts. The only thing I remember before I woke up in this house is that I was driving when my car suddenly broke down. I went out to see what the problem was when someone suddenly hit me in the head. I have managed to open a pair of locks on the front door, but that's all. Why does she do this? I hope no one will experience the same thing as I do. If I do not survive this, and if someone finds this message, I have noticed that she sometimes hides things inside of fruits. Alright, so there's a watermelon and a guillotine. And you have to take the watermelon and put it in the guillotine. And you get something. I don't know, it just depends. I have the bird seed. Alright, she's not around. Alright, we're good. Hold on, what else I need the wire cutters for? Oh, that's right, that fan. Alright, this bird makes a lot of noise. I'm gonna have to hide after I... Oh no, the bird doesn't make noise. Okay. Is my audio glitched? No. I don't know if my audio's glitched or not. I'm not hearing anything, so it seems like it is. Man, what at the top of the stairs? That's not nice for me. I'm gonna wait till that one despawns. I got another thing I can go do. Can y'all hear anything? Because I can't hear anything. Hold on, I'm gonna go ahead and cut that wire right there. No more power right there, Granny. That didn't even make sound, though. Is that supposed to make sound? What's going on? guys didn't make a sound. Pepper spray. Ooh. And a wooden stick. And a padlock code. Got you. It's empty, though. Alright, well, don't care about going in there, because we're trying to escape through the car. But I guess... Okay, yeah, my audio must be bugged. Hold on. Let me just see if YouTube makes sound. Okay. I don't know. What's going on? Piece of her picture. Could use a screwdriver. I'll go grab the hammer again. Or the cutting wires. Cutting pliers. Brush. There's a lot of places I actually haven't gone yet. This piece of a picture. No, okay. If you guys can hear anything, just let me know in the comments, because I can't hear anything. There's another one. I'm just gonna run for it. She's right there. Open sesame. That'll be the biggest juke of her life. Nope. She knew where I was going. Of course she did. No, she gets down here though. And chop these, lure her down here. gotta go quick. Oh crap. I think I've lost. I've already died a bunch. 4th day. I got the blood on my screen. Maybe that'll fix the audio though. That's supposed to make sound. Alright, I don't think she has any. I need those cutting pliers back. I need to know where she is at. Well, she was upstairs. I'm so sorry for the
Explore news.
Alright, I'm on day 5. I'm just gonna... I got some progress, but... I'm not gonna be able to make it. Probably just gonna fall through the hole again. Let me see if the audio will work now. Oh, now the audio wants to work. Okay. Well, goodbye everybody. And if I get 10 likes, I'll play again. And hopefully beat it this time. What's that do? Oh, that's weird. Alright. Bye-bye.